here in my junkyard today. Sunny day. I wanted to be productive. Makes me feel good to get stuff done that's been on my mind for a while. And I've always been meaning, this little stupid thing was to add to this backhoe some stuff for carrying my gear. So I just put some rebar hooks right there, a handle for climbing up and down. This is predominantly the side I climb up and down on. And I just stuck some wire in there so that my saw, the weight of the bar is what's holding the power head up, but now it can't walk out of there. So that is fantastic. So I don't drop my saw and back over or leave it out in the woods. And on this side I did the same thing. Just added in another rebar peg. And this, what this is for is when I can't easily grab something that's not perpendicular, you know, something that's parallel to the jaws, I can't grab that log. The easiest thing to do is just hook that on, bite it with this, swing it out, and then pop that off, throw it right back on the hook, and grab with the jaws again. So me and Blondie are going to go out in the woods and go get some firewood cut up. Keep going. Just drive. Step on it. You're messing up my audio. Keep going. Push in the clutch.
That doesn't help. I don't know how to run this thing.
You don't know how to pull fence posts either, but that hasn't stopped you.
Fence post is with my hand. I know
with
how
your
to
face. Pulling fence posts with your face.
Not holding with my face. I got all of them, but one that decided not to come out.
Uh-huh.
And it broke off.
Is that what it did?
It hit me.
Is that what it did, honey?
Yeah.
You poor thing. Okay. You can't stop the machine without pushing the clutch in.
Just tell me where I'm just driving
Down this road.
You didn't tell me.
I said keep going.
Keep going. Yeah, honey, you gotta give me a destination.
Push the clutch. Let the clutch out and go. Don't use the brakes until you push the clutch in. There you go. Okay, follow me. Let the clutch out. Gotta let the brakes off, baby. She's pretty. Well, don't you let them off and you're gonna run me over.
No, I'm not.
Now you hold that. You hold that and just catch your view of Shane.
Nope.
Okay, you can look. Let the brake off. Let the clutch out. You ain't gonna die. Wrong way.
That's not funny. No.
Brakes. Brakes. Stop. It was an accident. I swear.
Reverse.
All right, come on. Let the brake out. Let the clutch out. There we go. Now step on the gas.
No.
Over here at the junkyard next door, going down in my backwoods by using the neighbor's property so that I don't have to let my goats out. Okay, clutch and brake, clutch and brake.
like Grandma and Grandpa used to play. And I'll float on down the river to Cajun Hideaway. Swim across the river just to prove that I'm a man. Spend the day being lazy, just being nature's friend. I'm a long tall hickory, bending over skinning cats, playing baseball with shirt rocks, using sawmill slaps for bands. Play some back home, come on music that comes from the heart. Play something with lots of feeling, 'cause that's where music has to start. Oh, play me some mountain music like Grandma and Grandpa used to play. Then I'll float on down the river to Cajun Hideaway. Hey, hey. We didn't know the times were lean. Round our house the grass was green. It didn't seem like things were all that bad. I bet we walked 1,000 miles, chopping cotton and pushing plows, and learning how to give it all we had. As life went on and years went by, I saw the light in Daddy's eyes and felt the love in Mama's hands. They kept us warm and kept us fed, and taught us how to look ahead. Now looking back, I understand. We were walking in high cotton, old times there are not forgotten. Those fertile fields are never far away. We were walking in high cotton, old times there are not forgotten. Leaving home was the hardest thing we ever faced. When Sunday mornings rolled around, we dressed up in hand-me-downs, just in time together with the church. Sometimes I think how long it's been, and how it impressed me then. It was the only day my daddy wouldn't work. We were walking in high cotton, old times there are not forgotten. Those fertile fields are never far away. We were walking in high cotton, old times there are not forgotten. Leaving home was the hardest thing we ever faced. We were walking in high cotton, old times there are not forgotten. Those fertile fields are never far away. says it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a going dry. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you only get mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see, a woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn.